This video will quickly show you how to install and configure your new AT USBC JB device. Fortunately, your PoE to USB-C converter requires very little effort to install and configure. The AT USBC JB is designed to fit in a US single-gang wall box or an EU 60mm deep wall box, making this a truly universal power converter device. Once the wall box is installed, simply connect the converter to the PoE Plus source. Visit www.poetexas.com/AT-USBC-JB to see how to configure Cisco Enterprise switches to PoE Plus negotiation. Then connect a USB-C cable with the required length to the AT USBC JB port you need. This port will deliver only USB-C power delivery in case your device cannot receive data on the USB-C or micro USB port, or you prefer to connect your device through a Wi-Fi connection. This port will provide both USB-C power and wired data for devices such as iPad, both Lightning or USB-C, Surface Go, Samsung Tab, and more. Please keep in mind that in order to make this a PoE Plus device, the power profiles are limited to tablets 13 inches or less. For larger devices, please contact PoE Texas to see the new BT USB-C A PD, which uses IEEE 802.3 BT power to send power and data to laptops such as MacBooks, Surface Pro, Dell, Lenovo, Acer, HP, and more. We offer USB-C to USB-C and USB-C to Lightning cables in a variety of lengths, with an angled head to fit into designer tablet enclosures. Finally, connect your cable to your device. To check whether your device is receiving power and data, check the battery status of your device, then check the network settings to confirm connectivity. You have now installed and configured the ultimate PoE to USB-C converter.